All right, everybody, let's talk about how to turn in the Pixels assignment. It's actually pretty simple, so let me just walk you through the steps. First thing you got to do is you have to turn off your grids. There's actually 2 grids you have to turn off, so let's do that real quick. We're going to come up here to the top of our screen, and we're going to go to View. We're going to go to Show, and we're going to uncheck Grid. Very important, but you will notice there's still a little bit of a grid there. Not a problem. We're going to go to View, we're going to go to Show, and we're going to uncheck Pixel Grid this time. And that's going to give us that nice, clean looking canvas that we need to turn in. Now, this is way too small of a file to actually turn in. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here on your toolbar and you're going to double click on this hand. And that's going to make your pixel thing fill up the full screen. And that's exactly what we want. We want it to be as big as possible on the screen without being zoomed in, right? We don't want it to look like this. We just want it to fit on our screen as good as possible by double clicking on the hand tool. Perfect. Then on your Mac computer, you're going to press Command-Shift-4 on your keyboard. And that's going to come up with those little crosshairs. I don't know if those are going to show up in the screen recording, but basically you just have to click and drag over what you want to take a screenshot of. So I'm going to put my cursor right here in the top left-hand corner of my pixel drawing, and then click and drag down to the bottom right-hand corner of my pixel drawing. And I've just created a screenshot, and that screenshot is automatically saved on my desktop. You can see if I minimize Photoshop. There it is right there. There's that screenshot. And this is the file that you're going to turn in on Canvas. You're not going to add this to Lightroom. You're not going to do anything on the web for this. You're actually going to upload this file to Canvas to turn this thing in. To turn that in, just go into Canvas here and find the Pixels assignment and go to Start Assignment right here. That's going to bring you down to the bottom. You can see we're going to upload a file. So let's just click right here on Upload File. And then we'll click on Choose File after that. And right over here on the left-hand side, find your desktop right there. Boom. It's going to take us to the desktop. And look at this. Here is my screenshot right there. I would go ahead and click on that and choose Open. And that's it. I would just come in here and hit Submit Assignment. And you have just turned this assignment in. Well done.